Okay, so now we're going to discuss the pace test. I've fallen in love with this test because a lot of the time I might even put people into a piriformis stretch and not really have much response in terms of having an irritable piriformis syndrome. Yet when I do the pace test, sometimes that can really light up their sciatic type pain. So watch carefully, it is a really handy test. So we're going to have the client obviously in hip flexion and a bit of knee flexion, obviously not 90 degrees. Simply, hands going to go either side of their knees. Okay, you're going to hold the knees in, and then you're going to get your client to just push out into abduction, push out and relax. What you're looking for is on the pressing out, okay, so that resistance is if whether or not they're actually feeling any deep buttock pain with any peripheral symptoms. And like I said before, I've actually wound up piriformis before on a stretch and not really had much response, but when I've done a pace test, all of a sudden it lights up and responds really quite profound. So keep it in mind, the pace test.